Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the My Melody Crepe recipe in Heartopia. So today, Heartopia has finally released its new Sanrio collaborations event, and with it comes several brand new food recipes. And one of them is this adorable My Melody Crepe recipe like this. It has a pink color like this. I think it's so cute. And to unlock it actually is very easy. All you need to do is use the Sanrio Gacha machine at the end of this page a total of 3 times like this. You need to do 3 times gacha on here, and since there are 3 gacha machines on the page, and just simply use it once to complete these requirements. And then if you are not sure how to use the Sanrio Gacha machine, be sure to check out my Heartopia playlist. I have already made a tutorial that showing exactly how they work. And then once you have completed all the 3 gacha pulls, just open this icon, this love icon, and then just go to this Sanrio Gacha machines menu, this one, tap on event details, and then add this total gacha draws or gacha milestone. You can unlock and claim these rewards after you complete all the 3 gacha pulls, and then just claim it, and that's it. You can now start making these cute Sanrio themed crepes in your kitchen. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.